Hello all. In this video, I'm going to give a short note on what are the comments we have received so far and what are the comments have been included with the technical contents and some of our reply also the way that make others to understand. All right. So before that, I just wanted to thank you all for making us to reach 8,000 subscribers. That is thanks for 8,000 brains following our channel. Yes, still more to serve. And yesterday we had a live session, but yes, of course, most of you may not been available because the time has been changed. So all right, so I just wanted to give you short. Mm, we have the as I already mentioned, the unified diagnostic service. There is a new service called authentication service that we are about to broadcast. But in a just as a strange, we wanted to make the particular service by using Skype or Google Meet. That means you can also take part. You can also ask your queries instantly, and you can get reply to. So also we may have some other discussions as well, like what are the topics we are lagging, what are the topics we want to concentrate. So if really this goes well, yes, we can have more monthly once or 2 months once we'll have the kind of technical discussion on weekends. All right, so if anybody interested to join in our Google Meet or Skype, so that please leave a comment, just your name or you are interested. That will really helpful for me to just sort it what how many members can really take part and which platform, either Skype or Google Meet or some other app. So whichever is been feasible, because many of you may use mobile phones. So because opening the laptop is really hectic on weekends, I understand. So we can just make it on the video on the mobile, so it will really helpful to anybody to spend your time. Yes, of course, if you're not interested, you can leave in the middle. That's not an issue. There is no compulsion. So it's just a beta try that how we can have an interaction. Yes, so far, been 3 years. I guess have not interacted more with any of you. So this will really good thing that you can we can just spread your community more as well, and you can get more knowledge. All right. So this one is tutorials on the ECU. So one of our subscribers has been requested for given explanation on depth concept on the ECUs. All right, so this is we are start to create this content and tutorials on the automotive sensors. Yes, this is also under subscribe. So yesterday we got around 4 to 5 requests to make some videos. So these two are strange that we have never done before. So we'll consider this and we'll start to work on it. And for a change, these automotive sensors will be broadcast in the channel called Learn Automotive. The link will be given in the description. You can watch over there, and if you hit a bell icon, yes, you can come to know the notification as well whenever we post the video. All right, so now I guess it's been clear, and we'll go back to the comment section. What are the comments we have been received so far? For the past 2 months. All right, so before that, I already gave a reply video. All right, so yes, one day ago, yes, I would know more. So in this bootloader video tutorial, so most of the viewers has been getting got uh, good knowledge about the bootloader. So it's really helped. If you want test, you can watch. And yeah, I have asked the question, what a microcontroller you have been used. So I got the replies for instrument cluster. Maybe he says Kanta Prasad is one of the follow for past 2 years. Renesas and Freescale microcontrollers has been used. Yeah, fine. And hello, sir. I want to learn automotive domain. If you guide me. Yes, I guess I contacted him, Hardik. Fine. Yeah, thank you, Kanta, for give a compliment. Then, can you please provide your CAPL? Yes, definitely. Then Python videos. Please explain about the test case automation. Yeah, definitely we'll get back to you with that. Rashmi, thank you. Yeah, welcome. And in the place of C3, it's 8 C8. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out, Mr. Madhu Babu. Thanks, dear. Welcome. Thank you, sir. It helps a lot. Yeah, welcome you all. Thanks for support. And Lavanya, thank you, sir. Great work. Yeah, welcome you. Great work, helps a lot. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. And please share the information about the arbitration field. Yes, both standard and extended. Yes, it's noted, and we'll give as soon as possible about the specifically about how the arbitration field work in the standard can and extended can. Then can you please mention the usage of services except the jump to bootloader? Okay, so you mean for using bootloader, is there any other applications, right? So yeah, definitely we'll give the particular thing what exactly you are wanted. And Darsha, I worked on ISO 26 functional safety part 6. Nice explanation. Yeah, welcome you, Adarsha. Nice, sir. Yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Explanation, all videos is nice. Yeah, thanks a lot once again, Miss Adarsha. Excellent work. I subscribe. Fine. I want this session. Yes, I guess. Okay. So maybe if there is a only live session, there may be the chance of not getting it back. But definitely I'll look into it and I'll get back. So I guess yes, this one we have discussed. I2C is a half duplex, right? Yes, half duplex. But you mentioned a full. Yeah, please definitely I'll correct it. The full duplex. All right. So this is a half duplex. Then when we flash the software into the ECU, which method has been used? Answer, please. So when we okay, so that's what I think I have answered this in the previous video. It's physical addressing again. There is no functional addressing because if there is a functional addressing, then the flashing of software may get confused from what are the ideas being used, and maybe the node may go idle. So whenever you're flashing, there will be the dedicated ECUs to get into the software or firmware update. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. All right, so this ends, and in this video, I just wanted to give you another update that is I have mentioned in the community tab as well. So we have just 4 enrollments for our elite and premium admissions. So and we give some discounts as well. If you are interested, you can just visit our site eduserve.company. The link has been given in the description, and yeah, for more details you can just ask if you have any queries you can leave a comment, and for more videos just subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment for this. So which one you are interested to, first you are interested or not to have a, technical discussion in live, so that we'll think of it in which platform. All right, so if really the number goes threshold, yes, we'll have a discussion, and if it really goes good, yes, we can have it on you know uh, monthly once or 2 months once. All right, so if you're not subscribed, can subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care, stay safe, and happy learnings.